We're recording. Hey, have you ever been on YouTube trying to find a review? And it's just so damn long and you can't stand it? Well, I'm gonna change that. I'm the review bandit. So first off, here we got woodpile. Most people don't understand woodpile quite like I do. You can tell that one is good. Only one log fell off when I did that. And I'm like, I'm really strong. This woodpile has some great integrity. The dog likes it. It's a dog-friendly woodpile. Most times woodpiles aren't dog-friendly, but see, it's great. There's a great place for mice to live. It's really good. You can see how we are up here makes it better on top. Then, you know, every good woodpile has a strainer. I don't know if you guys do much taxidermy, but this is the #1 tool. Next, I'll be reviewing this here strainer. One time, I was at a woodpile and I found this strainer on top of the woodpile. I was doing a woodpile review. The best part about wood is that it burns. And if you look over here, over here. Oh, wait, everyone can see my face, damn it. So now I'm the review bandit. Over here is a woodpile. And as you can see, I've been working hard splitting wood. Filling my pile, keeping my neighbors warm. This wood pile goes in the wood stove. The best part about this wood stove is that all these bolts are from Allen keys. So all you need is an Allen keys. Allen keys. But second best part about this wood stove is that you can put another wood stove on it. Then you just take straight pipe off your S10. There you go. Now you got stacked wood stoves. So cool.